Today I'm making these delicious peanut butter cup brownie bites. This easy recipe starts with a brownie mix. You want the 13 by 9 size, and also whatever ingredients are called for in the proportions called for on the box. Typically that is an egg, some oil, and water. We also need Reese's peanut butter cups, the miniature size. For comparison, I did save one snack size from my Halloween candy. This is not the size you want. You specifically want the miniature size peanut butter cups. I need some muffin pan liners. These are the mini size. I bought this fun variety pack of colors, and I like the foil just because it makes them seem a little more fancy. But I'm going to use those to line my mini muffin pans. Now, a typical mini muffin pan has 24 wells on the pan. For some reason, I have one full size and one half sheet pan. I'll be using both today. And we'll preheat the oven to 325, and in the meantime, open up those peanut butter cups. This, quite honestly, takes the longest of all the steps in this. It's just unwrapping all these little peanut butter cups. But I've found the hard way. You want to count these out first. You need about 48 of these. As much as you think you can count while you're unwrapping, I lose count every single time. So that's my advice to you. Just count them out first and then start unwrapping. While you're unwrapping, I guarantee the smell will drive you crazy because it's so delicious smelling. But keep at it, and before you know it, you will have a nice full bowl of little mini peanut butter cups ready to use. Then all we need to do is mix up the brownie batter. Start with the dry mix from the box, and again add the components according to the box measurements. This particular mix calls for just 1 egg. Sometimes they call for 2. We also almost always need some oil and then some water. Brownie mix is so easy, you don't even need to use a hand mixer for this. I just use a spatula and start stirring. This comes together very, very nicely, and just stir until you have a nice cohesive batter ready to use. Then line your mini muffin pan with the liners and start adding the batter. You want each of these cups to be about half to 3/4 full, because as you can see, we're going to add a peanut butter cup to each one. And when you press down, you don't want that batter to be overflowing the cup. So just add a peanut butter cup, press, and get it kind of almost level with the top surface of that liner. Once these are all filled, they're ready to bake. We will bake these in the preheated oven for 20 minutes. After baking, you can see these look super yummy and the smell is incredible. Let them cool in the pan for at least 5 minutes to firm up a little bit before you try to remove them. And then you'll want to remove them to a wire rack to finish cooling down. These are amazing, delicious, bite-sized, wonderful little treats. They're great for a cookie exchange or just because you're hungry. I hope you give them a try, because if you do, I know you will love them. Enjoy.